Hi guys, today I want to show you how to deposit money into your EasyCrypto account. I've been getting so many questions and so many requests. Nosy, please show us how to deposit money into our EasyCrypto. So firstly, you need to log into your Easy Equities app. And if you don't have EasyCrypto like I do, just click on the plus sign that you see there at the bottom of the EasyCrypto, activate your account, then you'll be able to access EasyCrypto. So then to access your account, click on where it says access your account. Then you're going to put in your login details and log in. If you don't have login details, you need to create them from scratch. So you put in your username and your password, then you log in. Okay, so this is what the app looks like. At the bottom, there are some menu options. There's portfolio. If you click on portfolio, there is invest, there is my funds, and there's notifications. To deposit money, we go to my funds. And then there are two options. There's the deposit option, which is currently highlighted in purple, and there's the withdrawal option, which I've just clicked on. So because we want to deposit, let's take it back to deposit. And then after that, you click on where it says EasyCrypto ZA. Click on that. And these are the banking details that it's showing you to use for your deposit. And the most important thing is the EFT reference, and it keeps on flashing. So when you're doing your deposit, either at the bank, at the ATM, or if you're going to use your banking app, make sure to put in your EFT reference. If you don't put in your EFT reference, Easy Equities has got no idea who the money is coming from, which account they should allocate it to. So your EFT reference tells them who you are and which account the money should go to. So how do you then do your deposit? So here are the banking details. You can actually write them down on a piece of paper, but because we live in a technology world, there is actually an easier way to do this. So what I do is I log into my banking app. Let me log in. So simply I go to transact and pay somebody new. Who would you like to pay? Account details. This is where you put in the account holder name. So what I do is I simply go back to my EasyCrypto account, and where it says account name, there's a copy button next to it. So I click on copy. Then I come back to my banking app and paste. Next, it wants the account number. So I go back to my EasyCrypto. There's the account number. Click on copy. Then come to my banking app and paste the account number. Next is the reference. So where do you put in the reference? Where it says their reference. So we go back to our EasyCrypto. Where it says EFT reference, you can copy that and come back to your banking app and paste. That's the reference that needs to go there. Obviously, this is mine. Don't use my numbers, otherwise your money will come to me, but you use your reference number. Where it says my reference, this is for your own purposes. So I'm just going to type in EasyCrypto. Then you can save this as a beneficiary so that you don't have to do this process each and every time you want to deposit money to your EasyCrypto account. Once you save the beneficiary, next time when you want to pay, you just click on pay beneficiaries and the banking details will be there. When you're done here, you click on next, then you go on to put in the amount of money that you want to deposit and complete your deposit. Easy peasy, ne? Everything with technology is made easier. Once you've deposited your money, give it some time and it will reflect as a balance there. Then you can invest. If you are ready to invest, you click on invest. There are two options. There is bundles and there's cryptocurrencies. The bundle, which you see here, so you click on see all, there's only one bundle, which is EC10. What is EC10? EC10 is just a bundle or a basket of the top 10 largest cryptocurrencies. And you can actually see the breakdown or the allocation. So 61.49% is Bitcoin, then Ethereum, then Binance Coin, XRP, Cardano, Solana, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Tron, and Avalanche. So when you buy EC10, this is what you are actually investing in, okay? But if you don't want the bundle, there are cryptocurrencies. So you click on see all, and these are the cryptocurrencies that you can invest in individually. So there's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, XRP, Cardano, Solana, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Avalanche, Luna, Tron, Shiba Inu. It says coming soon. So these are the available cryptocurrencies that you can invest in at the moment. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.